As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road. Well, greetings and welcome to the View from the Road. This is the last week of classes before Thanksgiving break. We're going to be on the road traveling, visiting family, having a great time with that, and I hope you're able to do the same. So the theme this week is knowing when to say when, and not in the context that you think. I liken it to back during the financial crisis in 2008. People were saying, oh, when you're in a hole, stop digging. And they're like, yeah, we're going to get out of it, though, by digging up. What happened? Well, there's a repair that came across. It was a school instrument, and I'm not going to give too much in the way of details, that was attempted to be fixed at home and not by a repair technician. And it was just a comedy of errors. There was a thing that got stuck, and then there was an attempt to fix that, which broke another thing, and then another thing broke, and on and on and on. It looks like we're going to be able to salvage the instrument and not have to replace it, but the lesson to this is know when to say when. Know when you're out of your depth. Know when it's time to strategically redeploy, I guess would be the kind way of saying it. You know, not giving up, but making sure that you're not causing more problems than you're solving, because there's always the possibility of doing that. I remember, and I did a video on it at the time, I was editing a video that just fought me every single step of the way. And there was nothing I could do that was right. I kept messing up the sound, the video, everything about it went wrong. And I finally just gave up. I said, you know what, this is not the right thing for me. I'm not in the right headspace. My skill set's deficient. Whatever the problem is, this needs to be redone, and it's not going to happen right now. And knowing our limitations, knowing what we don't know, and knowing what we don't have the developed skill set to accomplish is a very, very useful and necessary thing. So that's just the one lesson. Like I said, we're all kind of gearing up and getting packed up to be gone this week. So hopefully this is a quick and easy one to internalize and understand, because it's one that I've certainly earned with blood, sweat, and tears, knowing when to say when. So that's your view from the road. As always, thank you so much for watching. Check out the other videos in the channel. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch up with you next time. Thank you for riding along and seeing the view from the road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.